It all begins in the fields, where the humble onion starts its journey. Millions of onions are harvested every single day for this journey. Every load begins a transformation inside America's largest processing plant.
First, every onion is thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris.
Precision machines peel away the outer layers with remarkable speed. Only the finest onions move forward to become premium powder.
Each onion is sliced into thin, even pieces for the next stage. A quick blanching step locks in flavor and prepares them for drying.
Hour by hour, the onions transform into crisp golden flakes. What began as raw onions now emerges lighter, drier, and full of flavor. Powerful mills grind the dried flakes into fine granules.
A second, finer grind creates that signature silky texture.
Every grain is refined to achieve the perfect consistency. Vibrating screens ensure only the finest powder moves forward.
Every batch passes strict quality checks before moving on.
The result is a rich, aromatic powder, ready for the world. State-of-the-art machines package every bag with precision. Each label marks the final step before the product ships out.
From here, the product its journey to kitchens everywhere.
From field to factory, every step is crafted with precision and pride.
This is more than powder. It is the result of true craftsmanship.